In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the TikTok Pixel on a Wix Fabisa Wix website. This process is essential for anyone looking to track and analyze their audience's behavior through TikTok, so it's definitely a valuable tool for optimizing your online presence. First, to get started, you'll need to navigate to the TikTok for Business website. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok Ads Manager account, as this is crucial for setting up the Pixel. Once you're in the Ads Manager, look toward the top menu and click on Assets, and then select Events. Here you'll find an option for Web Events. Choose this, and then click on Manage under the Web Events section. In this area, you're going to see an option to create pixel. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to give your new pixel a name. I recommend something descriptive that aligns with where you're going to use it, like Wix Site Pixel, for easy identification later. Once you've named it, click Next. At this stage, you need to choose TikTok Pixel and then opt for manually install pixel code. This is the process we'll follow for integration with your Wix site. After you click Next, you'll see the pixel-based code displayed on your screen. Copy this code as it's what you'll need to embed into your Wix website. Now let's move on to your Wix dashboard. Log into your Wix account and navigate to your Wix site's dashboard. In the dashboard, you want to look for the Settings menu. Once you're there, you'll find an option for Development and Integration. This is where you're going to be able to add custom code snippets to your site. Inside the development and integration settings, there's an option to add custom code snippets to the head or body of your site. Select this option and you'll have a space to paste the pixel-based code you copied earlier from TikTok Ads Manager. Make sure to double check that the code is pasted correctly to avoid any tracking issues later on. Once the code is in its place, click Apply. But wait, you're not done just yet. To finalize everything, you need to hit that Publish button on your Wix site. This step ensures that your Pixel installation is live and ready to start tracking data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed the TikTok Pixel on your Wix website. It might seem like a few steps, but taking the time to set it up correctly is crucial for getting the most accurate data from your audience interactions. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're feeling confident about setting up your TikTok Pixel. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.